Hi, first grade. For this activity, you are going to make your own digital counting book, and you can use any of the Seesaw tools, like the drawing tools at the bottom of the screen, or the camera to take pictures, or even the shapes button to make different objects on your page. So let me show you how it works. This is the cover, My Counting Book by blank, and go ahead and write or type your name in that blank. Then we start at the number 0. So on the 0 page, I have 0 objects. So I don't have anything on that page. Let me go to the next page. Number 1, I have 1 object, and I chose to use the shape tool to put a star. 2, I have 2 objects. 1, 2. I have 2 trees. So this is how the counting book works. You're going to go to the next number, 3, and have 3 objects on that page. Go through these pages and use the different Seesaw tools to help you with this activity. Have fun!